If you need to change your Calendly Zoom link, you can do it in just a few minutes, and in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps. This is really helpful if you connected the wrong Zoom account, need to switch meeting links, or just want to make sure your Calendly events are using the correct Zoom integration. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside, look for the Integrations and Apps section. This is where Calendly manages connected tools like Zoom, Google Calendar, and other scheduling apps. Click into Integrations and Apps and then find Zoom in the list. Make sure your Zoom account is already connected. If it isn't, you'll need to connect it before you can use Zoom links in your event types. After confirming Zoom is connected, go to Scheduling. This is where you manage your event types and decide how each booking is set up. In scheduling, select the specific event type where you want to change the Zoom link. This part is important because the Zoom setting is tied to the individual event, not always your whole account. Once you open the right event type, click Edit. That will bring you into the event settings where you can update details like location, conferencing, and notifications. Now scroll to the location section. This is where Calendly defines how your meetings will happen. If you currently have an old Zoom location attached, remove the existing Zoom location first. Clearing out the old connection helps prevent the wrong meeting link from being used again. After that, select Zoom again and connect or choose the correct Zoom account. If you manage more than one Zoom login, make sure you pick the right one so the new meetings generate properly. Once the correct Zoom account is selected, double check that everything looks right. Then click Save to apply your changes. Saving is what locks in the updated location for future bookings. To make sure the change worked, create a test booking. This is the best way to confirm that Calendly is generating the new Zoom meeting link correctly and that the right account is being used. If the test booking creates the proper Zoom link, you're all set. Your Calendly event is now updated and new meetings should use the correct Zoom connection. So that's how to change your Calendly Zoom link quickly and safely. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Calendly tutorials like this one.